Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you will be fine. Today we will discuss the exercise of unit number 2, patriotism. First of all, I'll tell you the glossary. Here are some difficult words. You have to write the meanings of these words. I have already written here for your comfort. The first word is devotion, means valhana lagao, loyalty, वफादारी, commendable काबिल तारीफ़, admirable काबिल सताइश, supreme आला या बुलंद, highest in status बुलंदी, value कदर, worth कीमत, native किसी ख़ास मुकाम का बाशिंदा, from one's motherland किसी वतन का रहने वाला. The next is answer the following questions. Students, I have already told you the answers of these short questions in previous video. Now move to next page, page number 16. Write the contextual and dictionary meanings of the following words. Students, here are some words. You have to write the contextual meanings and dictionary meanings of these words. Students, the first word is conservation. Its contextual meaning is protection and dictionary meaning is the protection of natural environment. The next word is instance. Its contextual meaning is illustration and the dictionary meaning is a particular example or case of something. The next word is fidelity. Contextual meaning is loyalty and the dictionary meaning is the quality of being loyal and not betraying. The next word is shield. Its contextual meaning is safeguard and dictionary meaning is a person or thing providing protection. The next word is reward. Its contextual meaning is prize and dictionary meaning is something given in exchange for good behavior or good work. The next question is make as many words as you can from these root words. An example is given for each root word is work and its example is workplace. We can make words like worker, workable, working, workbook, workshop and worksheet. The next word is play. Its example is playground. We can make words player like playtime, playground, playback, playwright, playable. The next question is use the following words in sentences. These are the words sacrifice, कुर्बानी देना, commendable, काबिले तारीफ, prosperity, खुशहाली, invasion, हमला, motherland, जाए पैदाइश, responsible, जिम्मेदार, nationalism, वतन परस्ती. Students, these are the words. You have to make the sentences. Students, I have told you the meanings of these difficult words. Now you can easily make sentences of these words. The next question is give pronunciations of the following words with the help of pronunciation key in your dictionary. Patriot, sacrifice, identity, strength, instances, foreign, concerns. Students, the word patriot means muhibbul watan, sacrifice, कुर्बानी देना, identity, शनाख्त, strength, ताकत, instances, मिसालें, foreign, गैर मुल्की, concerns, ताल्लुक़ रखता है. Now it's your grammar portion, modal verbs and their functions. Modal verbs combine with other verbs to form compound verbs. Modal verbs दूसरे verbs के साथ मिलकर compound verbs बनाते हैं. This is the basic definition of modal verbs. Now we will discuss modal verbs and their functions. Modal verbs can, could, may, might, would, and its function is to indicate possibility. अमकान ज़ाहिर करने के लिए these modal verbs we can use to indicate possibility. Can, will, could and would. Function is to indicate ability, यानी कि काबिलियत को बयान करने के लिए. Must, will and shall to indicate certainty, यकीन के इजहार के लिए यूज़ की जाती हैं. Might, should, ought to indicate probability. Can, could and may to indicate permission, इजाज़त के इजहार के लिए. Should, must, need, ought to indicate obligation, ज़िम्मेदारी के इजहार के लिए. Used to indicate a past habit, माजी की कोई आदत बयान करने के लिए. The next one is punctuate the following. You have to punctuate this paragraph by your own self. Now I hope students the exercise of unit number 2 patriotism is clear, and if there is any confusion in your mind you can ask in comment section, and if you like my video then subscribe my YouTube channel Malik Science Academy and press the bell icon. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.